Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the MySmile Home Teeth Whitening Kit, 10-minute express fast results for teeth whitening at home, non-sensitive teeth whitening kit with LED light, carbamide peroxide, 9 treatments. When you take out the whitening mouth guard to rinse out your mouth, it tastes terrible, and trying to keep the light to stay on, it took forever to manipulate to stay on. As for the product itself, it comes with a white battery that also acts as the blue light, 3 syringes with the whitening gel, and a mouth guard. It doesn't come with much instruction. Line the top and the bottom, wait 15 minutes. 1010 would recommend buying this product if you're looking for fast whitening results, and it only takes 15 minutes. If you're okay with the short lifespan of the batteries, then buy the product. The LED light broke after 6 weeks, and the supplier sent immediately a new one for free. Great service. 25 is definitely not going to turn your yellow teeth into a bright gleaming white color. Saw 0, the syringe works, but the light doesn't. The batteries are too loose inside, and don't fit great, so it makes the light not work. Also, be careful where you put the gel, as getting it on your gums sucks. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.